Hello student, today I am going to teach you the topic is valence bond theory from coordination compound. Valence bond theory from coordination compound. What are the tips for VBT? The tips for VBT is, first tip is, first find out oxidation state or oxidation number for central atom. Here central atom is metal. Second tip is identify the ligand. Identify ligand means which type of ligand is present, whether ligand is a strong field or weak field ligand. If ligand is a strong field, then pairing of electron take place. If ligand is weak field, then there is a no pairing of electron. No pairing of electron take place. The example of strong field ligands are CO, CN, ethylene diamine, EDTA, NH3. These are a strong field ligand. The weak field ligands are F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. These are a weak field ligand. Now we can see some examples. First example, COF6 3 minus. What are the tips for VBT? First find out the oxidation state of central atom. Here central atom is a metal, and first find out the oxidation state of cobalt. Second, find out the identified ligand. Which type of ligand? Here ligand is a fluorine. The fluorine is a weak field ligand. Therefore, there is a no pairing of electron take place. Now we can find out the oxidation state of cobalt. The oxidation number of fluorine is -1. Here 6 fluorine. Charge on complex is -3. CO is equal to 6 minus 3. CO is equal to +3. The cobalt oxidation state is +3. Why I take -1 oxidation state for fluorine? Because the atomic number of fluorine is 9. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Here 7 electrons, that is 1 electron is less for completion of octet. Therefore -1 is a oxidation state of fluorine. Now we can find out which type of ligand. Here ligand is a fluorine. This ligand is a weak field ligand. Therefore no pairing of electron take place. Now we can write the electronic configuration for cobalt. The atomic number of cobalt is 27. Electronic configuration is argon 3d7, 4s2, 4p0, 4d0. This is the electronic configuration for cobalt. The cobalt plus 3 electronic configuration is 2 electrons is removed from 4s orbital and 1 electron is removed from the d7. Therefore electronic configuration argon 3d6, 4s0, 4p0, 4d0. Three d6, 4s0, 4p0, 4d0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weak field ligand, therefore no pairing of electron take place. Here ligands are 6. 6 ligand, they require 6 vacant orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 orbital overlap and form sp3d2 hybrid orbital. And these 3 empty orbital are remaining. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 orbital overlap form sp3d2 hybrid orbital. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 6 fluorine donate 1 electron pair to this empty orbital of metal. 1 fluorine donate 2 electron. Total 12 electron is donated, and these 3 empty orbital are remaining. Now we can find out the magnetic nature of the complex. The magnetic nature of the complex is, this complex is paramagnetic because unpaired electron. There are unpaired electron, therefore this complex is paramagnetic in nature. Now we can find out the nature of the complex. This complex is outer sphere complex. Outer sphere complex because the outer orbital are used, therefore this complex is outer sphere complex. Then we can find out whether the complex is high spin or low spin. High spin or low spin. This complex is high spin due to this unpaired electron. Here no pairing of electron, therefore this complex is a high spin complex. And here outer orbital are used, therefore this complex is outer sphere complex, and due to this unpaired electron this complex is paramagnetic in nature. Now we can see the next example. CO NH3 6 3 plus. First find out the oxidation state, then find out the nature of ligand. Which type of ligand. Here ligand is NH3. This ligand is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand, therefore pairing of electron take place. First find out the oxidation state of central atom. Central atom is cobalt. Here ligand is a neutral. Here no charge on NH3. Therefore 6 NH3. Therefore oxidation state of cobalt is +3. What is the atomic number of cobalt is 27. Electronic configuration argon 3d7 4s2 4p0 4d0. Here oxidation state is +3. The cobalt +3 electronic configuration argon. Here 2 electron removed from 4s and 1 electron removed from this 3d orbital. Therefore electronic configuration is argon 3d6 4s0 4p0 4d0. This is the electronic configuration for cobalt +3. CO +3 3d6 4s0 4p0 4d0. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Here ligand is a strong field. Ligand is a NH3. NH3 is a strong field ligand. Therefore pairing of electron take place. This electron pair up here. This electron pair up here. and we get these two empty orbital of 3D. Here 6 NH3, 6 NH3 donate 6 electron pair. Total electron is 12 electron, and 6 NH3 requires 6 empty orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It forms D2 sp3 hybrid orbital, and we get these 5 orbitals remaining, 1, 2, 3, D2 sp3. Here 1 NH3 donate 1 electron pair. Here total NH3 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 donate 1 electron pair. Here hybridization is D2sp3. Therefore shape of the complex is octahedral. CO, NH3, 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 three plus. Here also shape is octahedral in CO F6 3 minus, because hybridization is sp3 D2. Total orbital are 6. Shape of complex is octahedral because coordination number is 6. Here the nature of complex is, this complex is inner sphere complex because the inner orbital are huge. Therefore this complex is inner sphere complex. And what is the magnetic nature of the complex? The magnetic nature is diamagnetic, because these electrons are paired. Therefore this complex is diamagnetic in nature. Whether which type of complex here, high spin or low spin? High spin complex or low spin? This complex is low spin because here pairing of electron take place. Therefore this complex is low spin complex, not high spin complex. The above complex is high spin because there is a presence of unpaired electron. Here pairing of electron take place because this strong field ligand NH3. Therefore this complex is low spin complex.